Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Southern Yankee. We are going to do my Bombay and cedar. I don't know if this is a current Bombay and cedar or if this is an older one. I have a shelf that I stick things on and I've got stuff that I never opened for you. So we're gonna find out what this is. Hopefully it tells us if it is current or not. I don't think this one might be new. I don't think this one's too old, but anyway, here we go. All right, so Bombay and cedar's around $45, $50 for a box. This one's going back to May. So this was all the way back when COVID was in full swing. So, but it is this year's box. Something smells wonderful. Bombay and cedar is a lifestyle box, and I think they also have a beauty box, which I've not tried. If you guys have tried their beauty box and like it, let me know. So let me open it up to the stuff that we get in here. They always do give you, I'm smelling citronella. That's what it smells like. They always do give you 2 essential oils every single month and a bunch of goodies. So this is what we're seeing opening up. I don't know what this is. Maybe, is it clothing? Yeah. Shirley. All right, let's see what this is. Never ever gotten clothing from them before. Oh, is it? It's like a poncho type of a thing. So it's kind of just like a really lightweight little poncho. It's either gray or like a light purple. Really pretty. Really pretty. And it's got this beautiful embroidery up top. This could be a pretty like bathing suit cover as well. Oh look, it's got little tassels. I didn't see that on the arms. Let's see what this says about this. It is a cover-up or a kimono by Shirley or Loft. You would have got one or the other. And the value is anywhere from $29 to $51. It looks like this is in the premium box only. And it says available in several styles. The lightweight kimonos and cover-ups can be worn to a beach, a casual night out, or simply indoors for a cozy night. So they are showing a different style right here, which is also really pretty. I like the one I got. So I think mine is actually a light lilac color, very neutral, can go with a lot of things. I think that's pretty. And also there's like little tassels down at the side too. So I think I'll save that for a bathing suit cover up. All right, so the next thing I got in here looks like maybe some chips or something. Some, yeah, Kettle cooked potato chips, Outer Banks, made with sea salt, called Carolina Kettle. So we go to the Outer Banks every single year, so we'll have to look for these. This is in everybody's box. These are $1.29, and it says available in a variety of flavors. Carolina Kettle potato chips are seasoned to perfection to achieve the ultimate crunch, and they are started with the finest potatoes, available hand-cooked in small batch kettles using 100% sunflower oil. These naturally crispy chips are certified awesome. Your taste buds will thank you. So I think I just got regular ones. It just says sea salt. So there we go. We always usually get some kind of a little snack. So that's our snacky. What is this? Sourdough Brew bread. Easiest, most delicious bread that you can make. Pour, stir, and bake. From Nashville, Tennessee. So it's brew. I bet you mix this with beer. This is Artisan Brew bread mix by Sourdough. Handcrafted in Nashville, 100% all natural ingredients. Sourdough is the easiest and most delicious bread. Just pour in the beer, stir and bake. See end of booklet for beer pairings. This is a value of $10. That's really cool. Then maybe we can get a thing of beer in the house and make ourselves some bread. All right, and then our cards came in. So we do, that's why citronella and pink grapefruit are our oils here for the month. And they always come in these cute little, this is a little wine and grapes thing, but they always come in cute ones. So pink grapefruit sounds interesting too. And these oils always have really good properties. They're very expensive. That is definitely what I'm smelling, is the citronella. All right, so let's see what the citronella does besides keep bugs away. It naturally repels insects. It fights free radical damage, fights bacteria and fungi, reduces inflammation, and promotes relaxation. It goes well with lemon, bergamot, cedarwood, clary sage, eucalyptus, geranium, lavender, peppermint, pine, rosemary, and sandalwood tea tree. So there's the citronella. And then the pink grapefruit. It says it boosts immune system, eliminates and prevents infections, inhibits microbial infections, relieves depression, controls appetite, increases urination, removes toxins, acts as a tonic, and treats stiffness and cramps in muscles. Well, that's cool because I've actually been fighting a little bit of depression. I think being home and not seeing people has sort of just gotten to me a little bit. So, oh, that's a nice smell. Maybe I'll diffuse that today. That smells really nice. So let me tell you the value of these. So the citronella is $16 and the pink grapefruit is also a $16 oil. So that's a nice value. Okay, what is this? The next thing I'm seeing is Inked by Danny. These are some temporary tattoos. Interesting. On the back, those are the little tattoos that you get in here. It's a small, hopefully you can see that, small little case of tattoos. These are hand-drawn tattoos. They're $12. Dani Ekna created chic and creative temporary tattoos by her own hand-drawn designs. With their signature on-trend style and worldwide fan base, Inked by Dani is refined temporary tattoos in a whole new world of upscale wearable art. So they're like little doodles and things. They're actually quite, some of these are really cute. So that'll be fun. That's fun if you're going to the beach. I always think like that's the place to like do weird stuff like that. So then I have a Go comb. And I don't even see this on here. Oh, it's a wallet comb. Okay. And it's $5, available in a variety of designs. They bring a pop of color, design, and delight to your wallet. Made from durable pre-consumer recycled plastic and decorated with a permanent design. They're built to last and fit in your wallet for easy styling on the go. So that's cute. So it's tiny enough and it just goes right in your wallet. That is the little Go comb. Then there's a llama in here. Llama! I don't know what this is. Lavender infused llama. Feeling cold? Feeling lonely? How about a nice warm hug? Okay, let's see what this is. This is a Heatable Pocket Pal. Heat me up in the microwave and I will keep you warm. Okay, all right. So, all right, let's see if I can find this. This is also in the premium one only. And this is Pocket Pal Hot Cold Pad by Gamanago. These heating and cooling pads are infused with lavender to help calm the nerves. Heat in the microwave for cozy, huggable warmth, or pop in the freezer for relieving unwanted pain, and these are 14 bucks. So there is my little llama. He is quite cute, if I must say so myself. So you just heat it, you smell the lavender, you can lay it, you can just hold it, sleep next to it, put it by your pillow. I can't smell it through the package, but it's supposed to smell good. And then the last item that I got in here, use this and you'll be showing your feet off. Dr. Pedicure. All right, so this is a $20 value, made with 17 vegetable extracts. These foot masks will deliver jaw-dropping results. Tired of having rough, dull feet? Reveal your feet's youth with Dr. Pedicure. 20 buckaroonies. So that is everything. And this one is in everybody's box. This was May. How many did you get in here? 1 pair for soft, smooth feet. I wonder if this is, yeah, this is the ones that make your feet peel in like a week after using them. I had one of these and Robert used it, so I'll use this one. So that was my May box. So thank you guys for watching. I wanted just to open that. I figured I gotta get through some of these boxes that were sitting here. These are boxes that are all I haven't had a chance to get to, so they've been kind of piling up. So we're gonna slowly be taking a box off of my shelf. I will let you know if it's coming off the shelf, that it's not current. We'll find out if we know what month it came from. Most of them are from this year, except I've got some blessed boxes, and those are all from years past. So, all right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new around here. Love to see you again, and I'll see you guys all soon. Bye.